News from the woman who delivered 9 babies. It appeared to be the first time on record that a woman had given birth to 9 surviving babies at once. The 5 girls and 4 boys and their mother are all doing well, Mali's health minister said in a statement. A Malian woman has given birth to 9 babies at once, after expecting 7, according to Mali's Minister of Health, in the Moroccan clinic where the nonaplets were born. A Malian woman went into labor expecting 7 babies but gave birth to 9, according to Mali's Minister of Health in the Moroccan clinic where the nonaplets were born. The mother, 25-year-old Halima Sisi, gave birth by cesarean section to 4 boys and 5 girls on Tuesday. While in the private Ain Borja clinic in Casablanca, Morocco, Associated Press reporters say they saw some of the babies wiggling their hands and feet inside incubators, according to the AP. One of the world's poorest countries, Mali's hospitals aren't equipped to offer care for a rare, multiple fetus pregnancy such as Sisi's. So Malian doctors, under government orders, sent Sisi to Morocco, the AP reported. Sisi experienced heaving bleeding and was given a blood transfusion after giving birth at just 30 weeks, the Casablanca clinic's director Youssef Alaoui told Moroccan State TV. The mother is now in stable condition, and the babies weigh about 1.1 and 2.2 pounds, Alaoui said. It appeared to be the first time on record that a woman have given birth to 9 surviving babies at once. The 5 girls and 4 boys and their mother are all doing well, Mali's health minister said in a statement. The mother, 25-year-old Halima Sisi, gave birth to the babies by cesarean section on Tuesday in Morocco after being sent there for special care, Mali's top health official announced. Associated Press reporters saw some of the babies wiggling their hands and feet inside incubators Wednesday in the private Ain Borja clinic in Casablanca. Medical staff checked their status regularly in the neonatal ward wallpapered with cartoon characters. Sisi had been expecting 7 babies. Malian doctors, under government orders, sent her to Morocco for the births, because hospitals in Mali, one of the world's poorest countries, are ill-equipped to provide adequate care for this exceptional multiple pregnancy. The Casablanca clinic's director Youssef Alaoui told Moroccan State TV that they had been contacted by Malian doctors about the case a month and a half ago. They were not expecting 9 babies, he said. Sisi gave birth prematurely at 30 weeks and is now in stable condition after heavy bleeding for which she was given a blood transfusion, he said. The cesarean was ordered after Sisi had birth pains, Alaoui, the clinic director, said. The babies weigh between 500 grams and 1 kilogram, 1.1 and 2.2 pounds. The Guinness Book of World Records said in an email to the AP on Wednesday that its current record for most living births at once is 8, and that is verifying the Moroccan birth. The current holder of the Guinness record is American Nadia Suleiman, who gave birth to 8 premature but otherwise healthy children in 2009. Alaoui, the clinic director, told the AP that as far as he was aware, Sisi had not used fertility treatments. The Malian Health Ministry did not provide any other information about the pregnancy or births. Yacoub Khalaf, a professor of reproductive medicine at King's College London, said that such births would be extraordinarily unlikely without fertility treatment, and noted the dangers involved with such multiple births. The mother was at severe risk of losing her uterus or losing her life, he said. The babies could suffer physical and mental handicaps. The risk of cerebral palsy is astronomically higher. He urged more awareness worldwide about monitoring fertility treatments and about the risks and costs of having so many premature babies at one time. Most women carrying multiple babies are at risk for preterm delivery. This increases the chances of cerebral palsy, lung disorders, bleeding in the brain, and more for the infants, Samuel said. Alaoui told the AP that as far as he was aware, Sisi had not used fertility treatments. As how Sisi didn't know she was carrying 9 babies, Samuel said undetected fetuses are rare but possible. Without advanced equipment and with multiple fetuses, she said it's difficult to find each fetus in an ultrasound. Everything that involves more fetuses becomes more complicated. Most doctors haven't seen a woman carry more than 4 babies. Imagine seeing over double that. It's a complicated situation, Samuel said. The mother was at severe risk of losing her uterus or losing her life, he said. The babies could suffer physical and mental handicaps. The risk of cerebral palsy is astronomically higher. He urged more awareness worldwide about monitoring fertility treatments and about the risks and costs of having so many premature babies at one time. Multiple births are rare. In the U.S., 87.7 per 100,000 live births were of triplets or more, according to 2019 data from the CDC. The record for the most children delivered at a single birth to survive belongs to Nadia Suleiman, who in 2009 gave birth to 6 boys and 2 girls in California. According to the Guinness World Records, the babies conceived using in vitro fertilization treatment were delivered by C-section.